be doing this glamorous, sexy, smoky eye, which is appropriate for all skin types, especially Indian skin, because royal blue just complements our Indian skin tone so beautifully. And yes, it's appropriate for a party. You can even dress it up with a formal suit or anything, and it would look amazing, gorgeous, pretty. So yes, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by using Pixi Flawless and Poreless Primer, because that's how I want my face to look like. Next up, it's time for concealer, and for concealer I'm using Bourjois Bio Detox Organic Concealer. This is in the shade Clair Medium. So yes, I'm gonna use that with the help of the Zoeva Concealer Buffer Brush. Concealing is done, I'm gonna apply L'Oreal La Creme True Match BB Cream. This is in the shade Honey Beige, and this is going to be a base for my foundation because I want a pretty full coverage face today, because the look I'm going for is pretty dramatic. So I'm gonna apply this BB cream all over my face using buffing brush from Real Techniques. One shade lighter to my skin tone. To bring the color back into my skin tone, I'm using my foundation, which is L18 Glow Foundation in the shade Coral, and I'm going to use the same brush to apply my foundation all over my face. We have so many layers going on the skin. I'm going to use a compact powder to set everything down, and the powder I'm using today is Streetwear Color Rich Perfection Compact. This is in the shade Neutral, and it gives pretty sheer to medium coverage as well. That's why I'm using this full coverage. And the brush I'm using is my QVS Kabuki brush. So I'm just going to swirl it into the powder, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Plus, newly washed brushes are the best. Who agrees with me? Raise your hand. I love newly washed brushes. I washed almost all my brushes, and I'm using clean brushes on my face today, and it feels so good. So yes, coming back to the topic, gonna dust this powder all over my face. Highlight, and for my highlight today I'm using Urban Decay Loose Pigment in the shade X. It's a beautiful, gorgeous pigment which was almost flying out of my hands. But yes, it's a gorgeous pigment which looks like this and looks amazingly beautiful as a highlight. So I'm gonna apply this on the highest points of my face quite generously. Blend all of this out using my Real Techniques contour brush. same brush, I'm gonna do my blush, and the blush I'm using today is Colourpop Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze. This is a really pretty blush which is more on the warm orangish peachish side. So I'm gonna use that and apply it all over my cheeks. I'm gonna go really heavy handed on the blush because my eyes are gonna be pretty dramatic, so I'm gonna leave my blush and other features really muted. Next up for contour, I'm gonna use Starlux Creme Blush in the shade Emphasize. It looks really dark in the pan, but it just transfers beautifully onto my skin. And the brush I'm using to contour is Zoeva Luxure Cheek Brush, which is an angled brush. So I'm just gonna slightly pick up this product on this brush, and I'm gonna contour my face. A piece of tape, yes, you heard it right, cello tape. I'm gonna stick it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take it off to remove excess stickiness from the tape. Then I'm gonna stick this tape starting right from my outer corner up till my hairline. I'm gonna use NYX eyeliner pencil in the shade Blue Roy, and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid area. I forgot to do my eyebrows first, so I'm gonna move to the eyebrows first and then complete my eye makeup. And I'm using Starlux Eyebrow Kit with the help of this Real Techniques brow brush, and I'm just gonna define my eyebrows. Today I'm gonna do a different type of defining. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna draw the lower part of my eyebrow like so that I get a cleaner edge, and then I'm just gonna push this color upwards. Next I'm going to use MUA Undress Me 2 palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is named as Lavish, with the help of this Inglot Dome Shape brush or the 8 OHPS, and I'm going to go right into my crease. Right now I'm not going to blend it out or anything, but I'm just going to deposit this color into my crease. To take this Oriflame blending brush, and I'm going to blend the outer edges of this color. Then I'm going to go into Sleek Rio palette. This is a limited edition palette, and I'm going to pick up this black shade with the help of this Zoeva Lux Soft Definer brush. I'm going to place this color on the outer corner as well as in my crease, like just the half of it. Blend again. We're gonna move on to the fun part. I'm gonna pick up this blue shade from that same palette, which is a really vibrant blue. Its name is Lemme, and I'm going to pick it up using this very tight definer brush from ELF, and it is the eyeshadow C brush. And I'm gonna pick up a lot of that color. I'm gonna dust off the excess, and then I'm gonna pat it down onto my eyes. Blend again. Using the same blender brush, I'm gonna go back in with my MUA Undress Me 2 palette, and I'm gonna pick up the highlighting shade which is named as Naked, which is the one right here. I'm gonna pick it up on this blending brush, and I'm gonna go under my eyebrow to highlight my brow bone. Give my eyes one thin coat of a liner, and the liner I'm using today is by MTV Moi. It's the Blue Heaven liner. It's the first time I'm using it, so I'm just gonna line my eyes. remove this tape. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm just going to buff it a little bit around this area so that this is not as dark as it is right now. Then I'm going to take Oriflame the One Mascara and apply it just on the upper lashes to prep them up for false lashes. Drying, I'm going to finish off my lower lash line. I'm going to apply kajal after a really long time today, and I'm using the Revlon kajal in the shade 11 Black, and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline as well as on my tight line. Smudge this liner using the same brush that we use for the black. And I did not pick up any eyeshadow, it's just what I have on this brush already. Then I'm going to apply mascara onto my lower lashes. Then comes the most dreaded part, that is the false eyelash time. I hate applying false lashes, honestly, because I suck at it, but yeah, so I'm going to apply false lashes and I'm going to use an applicator to do so. So I'm just going to stick my lashes into this false eyelash applicator, which is going to make my life a little bit more easier, just a teensy-meensy amount easier. And then I'm going to take my eyelash glue and I'm going to apply glue onto the band of my eyelash, and then I'm going to stick it on. Once my lashes are on, I'm going to apply another layer of this liner so that the band of the lash as well as some excess glue is hidden. I'm going to take that same Urban Decay pigment and I'm going to pop this in my inner corners to just give my inner corners that pop of bright color. My lips, I'm going to use MAC Crossfires. This is my favorite shade of all times. If you know me, you know this fact as well. This is a very peachy color. Peachy pinky color. So I'm just going to dab it on my lips rather than just applying it, because I want to use it as a stain more than a lip balm, like lipstick. And once I have the desired pigmentation on, I'm going to use a clear gloss. This is by MTV Moi in the shade LG06. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lips to give my lips that glossy 3-dimension. Now we complete this sexy and glamorous royal blue smoky eye, which is appropriate for any skin tone because royal blue complements each and every skin tone. You just need to play along with the other features to suit your skin tone. But yes, this is such a easy, glamorous eye. It does require a little bit extra steps, but that because of the effect is so sexy. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. Wow, my hair just went all woo. Wow. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. If you do try out this look, then don't forget to share it with me on my social media. All my social media links would be in the bottom bar along with an address where you can send me letters and things, and I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.